Step 7, you are ready to write your essay. You can use a clean sheet of notebook paper for your essay, or you can type it in Word. There is also a graded assignment document, and you can type on this as well. Keep your notes and your outline with you because that is your guide for writing your essay. On step 2, it says use your thesis statement as the introduction to your essay. Use your thesis statement as the introduction. You can add some general information or an explanation before or after it. Your introduction should be no more than about 3 or 4 sentences, or at the very minimum, just your thesis statement. Then, using the information you've organized, follow your outline to start writing the body of your essay. That is why we did the outline. Each paragraph in the body should be about one of the topics in your essay question. So, for example, your thesis statement is paragraph 1. Then your first example with your details, you're going to write as paragraph 2. And then your second example with your details, that becomes paragraph 3. This next section on step 4 says to write the first section of your essay, and then you would repeat that for the second section of your essay. Just like what I told you, you start with your topic sentence that's in your outline, then you explain with those details that you jotted down. Make sure that you are drawing direct connections between changes that occurred in the past and conditions of the world today. That was part of the question. Write a concluding sentence that you can use to connect back to your thesis statement, and then you write the other section of your essay using the same process, and then you can write a concluding paragraph that summarizes your main ideas of your essay and restates your thesis. So let's take a look at Kaya's essay just for an example of one of her paragraphs. This example of Kaya's essay is just for her first paragraph, but you are writing a 4-paragraph essay. The first paragraph being your thesis statement, the second 2 paragraphs, 1 paragraph each for each of your examples, and then your 4th paragraph is a conclusion. So in her paragraph, she's got an opening topic sentence, she has her thesis statement and examples, and then she has a summary sentence. On the outline graphic organizer, there is a space for you to write a conclusion that summarizes your 2 main topics and then restate how they relate to the past and to us today. And then finally, you're ready for step 8, which is to revise and refine. Read back through your whole essay. Make sure that you answered those essay questions, all parts of the question. Make sure your ideas are clearly written. And if not, take a moment to reword anything, or maybe you need to rewrite a sentence or so that needs to be revised. Make sure you check for spelling, grammar, or punctuation mistakes you see. I should definitely see paragraphs, clear paragraphs. I don't want it all in one paragraph. If you are typing, just hit the enter key a couple of times and it will make a new paragraph. And then you can submit your essay using the graded assignment document. You can type it directly on there, or you can just upload your document that you typed on. Another helpful tool, if you prefer to speak instead of write, is to use this dictate tool. You can turn this on and it will allow you to just speak your text. You will have to tell it where you want periods and so forth. And then you can also, even if you type it yourself, you can use a review option and have your essay read back aloud to you. That is a good way to revise and hear if something sounds right, or if it's confusing, or if it's something that you need to edit to make more clear. Good luck on finishing and submitting your final essay.